Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and today I wanted to show you a quick and easy Halloween colored inspired makeup look because I know not everybody has the time to put on a full costume or is able to wear a costume. Some people have to work, some people just work late and don't have enough time to change. Just like literally this is an easy look for you guys because I know Halloween is falling on a weekday this year, so it makes it a little bit harder to do a Halloween look, but literally this is a good base. You could even add to it. You could add little ghosts or spider webs, anything to this. Is just a nice easy way and fast Halloween inspired makeup so you can get out the door and look cute on Halloween because that's everybody's goal. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this bright purple pigment and we're going to start running this through our crease. This is literally one of my all-time favorite pigments on earth. It is so bright and neon and so pigmented. I love them. It is from Stargazer and it is so cheap. It was like $5 on Amazon. And I'm just blending it through the crease. Where did my pigment go? I need to wear it. Now I'm going to be taking a neon peachy color like orange, which actually matches my hair perfectly. And I'm going to place that all over the lid. And I know some people would place like a concealer down, but this is so bright that I don't even need to do that. But be very careful if you're using a pigment because it can get everywhere. Back in with that purple and blend it into the crease a bit more, just to blend that orange and purple together a bit more. I'm just going to take a skin colored powder and run it through the brow and the crease just to really tone that down a bit. It's basically an instant blender when you do this. For under eyes, we're just going to go take that same purple pigment and start running it on the lower lash line. And I just use a small pencil like smudge brush for that. So even though our eyes are already like super neon, I want to brighten up them some more and add a little bit of white to the waterline to really open them up and just give a little tie-in so there's some cohesion between all of it, so it's not just like the nude look with the purple, just really brighten it all up. We have our purple and we have our orange, which are perfect Halloween colors, but we need to add some green. So I'm going to go in with a bright neon green liquid lipstick that I have. I'm just going to use this as an eyeliner, and I use a pretty much a craft store brush to do my eyeliner. This one I usually actually use for like veining on SFX makeups, but it also is a good eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to do a quick wing in green. Now I'm going in with a neon green eyeshadow, which sadly I still haven't repressed since I broke it in the alien video. And I'm just going to press that into my inner corner as a highlight shade. And off camera I'm going to apply mascara and some falsies. I'll be right back. So even though it is Halloween time and looking like a ghost is perfectly normal, I do want to still add some shape to my face. So I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring, just doing it lightly. I use a like fluffier blush brush actually to do this. And I just go in with my contour shade and I just lightly run it through. I don't do a harsh contour anymore like I used to. I just like to add a little bit of shape, but I like my main focus to be like on my blush, so I just don't worry about it as much as I used to. I used to do such a harsh contour because I was really like self-cautious about the shape of my face, but now I just don't care. So yeah, and I do a little bit around the jaw just to sharpen that up a bit, you know, that double chin life. Now my favorite part, we're going to go in with some blush. I'm going to be taking this. Now for my favorite part, we're going to go in with some blush. I'm going to be taking this orangey red blush, and I'm just going to stay mostly on the orangey side of it. I'm going to apply this all over the cheeks because I love a lot of blush. I am a blush whore. Yep, that's me. And I'm just applying that all over the cheeks. When you're so extra, you have a separate brush just for your nose blush, but like, it's my favorite part. Make sure you get the nose because it's so freaking cute. Oh my god, I just love a good nose blush. Like literally, that just made the look go from like 5% cute to 100% cute. Like, snatched cute nose for life, yes. Oh wait, the cat took my highlighting brush. Now we're going to add a little bit of a ghosty glow, and I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighter from their Halloween collection called Caught in Your Web. It's got a little skull. It's literally perfect for Halloween. I know I used this one the last one, but like literally it's such a perfect highlighter, and it's got that little tint of like purple to it, which ties in everything. So I'm just going to add that throughout my high cheek points, up and through into my brow bone, and I'm just gonna finish off the look with some black lipstick because honestly, like, October is the best time to wear black lipstick. If you're afraid to go out wearing black lipstick, literally just try it in October, and once you start feeling comfortable in it, you will feel comfortable to wear it year round. Like literally, it is one of my favorite lipsticks ever because especially if I'm wearing bright colors, like a black lip always looks good with it. And this is the final creepy cute Halloween look. I feel so adorable right now. I am loving these neons with my hair. Oh my god, I just love neon in October. It is perfect. Like, this is such an easy look to do, so if you are having trouble on Halloween, do not worry. Just throw this on. You will look so festive and cute, but with it's not much effort at all. Like, it is literally perfect for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that would just be really rad of you guys. And just thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other ideas for what you'd like to see, please comment down below. I hope you guys stay lovely. Bye!